Yes. So, third question of third chapter of picture study. Identify the animal below and write the group to which each of them belong. Here, what you have to do, you have to identify and you have to write the name of the group to which they belong, and mention the reason for which the organism is assigned to that group. Means because you have to write what you can say is specific feature, because of that they what you can say categorized in that category. So here the first picture is of, just raise your hand. First picture is of
Man eats of trap worm.
first picture is of yes, Mohammad Umar.
Man eats of trap worm.
The name of the organism, name of the animal, what is it in the first picture on the page number 68? What is it? Yes, Yasir Raza. Yes. Tell me. Okay, Salama, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is this in picture first? Which organism it is? Acha, which category it is?
Ma'am, it is tapeworm. Ma'am, it is tapeworm.
The first
It is
picture,
tapeworm.
first picture on 60, page number 68. It's not
Yes,
fish.
ma'am.
Is it not fish? Bony fish. It's bony fish.
Oh, ma'am, papers. Ma'am, sea sponge. Ma'am, it is Porifera. His name is sea sponge.
No. Third question I asked. That question we discussed in the previous class. Third question I started, and the first picture of the third question, that is bony fish, salmon.
Yes, ma'am, it is fish.
And which group? Bony fish is related to which group? In which group it is categorized?
Ma'am, ma'am, pieces.
Pisces. Pisces
Ma'am,
or fishes? Pisces or
Yes.
fishes. And the
Yes.
reason? Any specific reason why it is categorized in Pisces?
Ma'am, it is a gills and it is fish. Ma'am, because it is fish.
Because it has a streamlined body and it's having gills,
Ma'am, gills and
fins, gills for breathing and fins for movement, for locomotion. So
yes,
streamlined body with gill and the fins are the fishes, and streamlined body with the wings and the feathers are the apes. Remember, okay? Streamlined body is there in the fishes also, in apes also. Okay. So, but in streamlined body with the gill and the fins, this combination found in the fishes, and streamlined body with wings and the feathers, they are the characteristic of apes or birds. Fine. So here name is salmon and group is you can say that's the fishes or the Pisces with slash,
Yes, ma'am.
and reason this only you can write a streamlined body with gills and the fins.
As a fish, features like fish.
No, you write that only, streamlined body with gills and fins. Fine. This.
Okay.
Then
Okay,
the
ma'am.
third picture. Yes, raise your hand. Oh, sorry, second one. Raise your hand and tell me The name of the organism and the group with the reason. Yes. 2-3 hands. Okay. Faria Javed. Yes. Faria Javed, tell me. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. The name of the second one is Hydra.
Hydra. And the category or the group?
Ma'am, it's from Nigeria.
Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Another name for the Cnidaria is Coelenterata. And any feature?
Ma'am, the feature of this is that it lives in water and it has a soft and translucent body. And there is an opening which is present on their mouth at the one end, leading to a single hollow body cavity.
And the most important is that mouth is surrounded by finger-like projections called tentacles. 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 So the mouth, the opening, single opening that is surrounded by with the finger-like projections, that is called tentacle. Okay. So feature is tentacle. Translucent body with tentacles. Soft translucent body.
And may I tell next one?
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, next one is reptile. Name is lizard.
Garden lizard.
Garden lizard. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. It is in group of reptiles,
Hmm.
and the reason that it has scaly body, dry scaly body,
Yes, very good. Dry
and
means
ma'am they
tough.
breathe through lungs.
Hmm? They breathe through
They
lungs.
breathe through lungs.
Yes. So they have dry and scaly body. So tough. They have dry scale, tough scales, thick scales. Like scales are there in fishes also. There they have thin and slimy scales. But when you talk about reptiles scale, they have thick and tough scales. I mean, due to this dry, scaly, and tough scales, their skin become hard, or you can say tough. So dry and scaly body means the tough skin they have. Okay. Now the next is next picture. Yes, tell me the next one. Raise your hand. Muhammad Umar. Yes.
Ma'am, the word is pigeon, and the group is aves. The main reason is that they have wings and have hollow bones.
Very good. And just now also I told streamlined body with feathers and wing. That's why they categorized in apes or birds. And the yes, hollow bone also specific feature, of course. Then the next picture, yes, Ilma Imran. Ilma Imran. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What the next? Ilma, I asked
The
from you.
name is the pigeon.
No. Next pigeon to just now is done. Umar has told. Ashaz, Ashaz, you tell me. Ashaz, you tell me. Zoya Imran, yes. Zoya. Yasir. Yasir.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the next picture
Ma'am, fourth one.
after pigeon. Fifth one.
Pigeon, yes, ma'am.
After pigeon, fifth one.
And fifth one is jellyfish.
Yes, jellyfish and group.
Yeah. Ma'am, Porifera.
No, it's not a member of Porifera. No. It's free living Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Free living. Two types of Cnidaria are there, fixed and free living. So it's free living Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Reason? Yes. Any specific feature? Yes. What is the reason? Why they categorized in Cnidaria or Coelenterata?
It has tentacles.
Hmm? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, it has a tentacles and movement tentacles which help them to movement and have catching prey. Ma'am,
A special feature, a specific feature is that they have tentacle which help in movement and catching prey. Catching prey or
yes,
get the
ma'am.
food. They helpful in pushing the food towards the opening, towards the mouth. Fine. Okay. Now the
Yes, ma'am.
next picture. Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Faria Javed. Fariha Javed. The
Yes,
last
ma'am.
picture, which is there on the page number 69. Tell me the name of the organism and the group as well.
Ma'am, the name is snail.
Hmm? What is it?
Snail.
A snail. Group.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
it's from mollusca.
Mollusca. Yes. And
The
the feature.
name is mollusca.
Hmm?
And
Feature.
their body is divided into three parts. They have a hard shell so that they could be protected from their enemies,
Hmm.
and they have muscular boots which help them in the locomotion.
Hmm. So special feature is the muscular foot. And with the help of the muscular foot, they locomote. And they have hard shell as well on their body. Okay, now let's start next chapter. Chapter 4, Plant Life. In this chapter, we will learn nutrition, photosynthesis, and respiration and types of respiration. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, as far I remember, photosynthesis, nutrition, you already studied. Yes, nutrition. Do you have some idea about nutrition? I think in 5th class nutrition we studied. Or 6th class. So we studied this term. Do you have some idea about it? What is nutrition? Okay, tell me what are nutrients? Raise your hand. Only 3, 4 hand always. Okay, Umar, you tell me.
Ma'am, nutrients are present in the food that gives us energy.
That give energy. How many nutrients are there? They are needed for the different functions.
Metal?
Yes.
Ma'am, 5 nutrients are present.
One at a time. Okay, let Salama, let Umar finish. Let Umar wait. Let Umar finish, then you will continue. Okay. Yes, Umar.
Types of nutrients are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals.
Vitamins and minerals, they are the 5 nutrients present. They are needed for our body for the proper growth and functioning. So here, if they what is nutrient, you know. So do you have some idea about nutrition also?
Yes, ma'am. Nutrition go in our body and give us energy, and then it's converting which energy we want. Then we are getting our body energy.
Nutrition is the process of providing and obtaining nutrients by an organism for growth, development, and to carry out vital activities. Means the food is actually the source of nutrient. When it will be digested in the body, it will give the nutrient, and these nutrients are needed for the different vital functions for our body. So the process of providing or obtaining nutrients or food by an organism for growth, development, and to carry out vital activities. So all the vital activities which are carry out in our body, they needed nutrients. They need energy. So without continuous supply of energy, our body cannot survive. So what is nutrition? Process of obtaining nutrients. The process of obtaining nutrient or process of providing food or nutrient by an organism is called nutrition. Nutrient, we know that they are found in food, and the process of obtaining or providing, that is known as nutrition. And this nutrition may be of two types. Means they are different. They can be different type depending upon the type of food they take. Animal get their food from plant and from other animal sources, and plant